Welcome to a new video on gaming industry and finance. So CD Projekt, my friends, oh la la. So we broke the upper trend line. So the line that you can see here in the blue that I was drawing. So and it was almost parallel actually to the trend line back from 2016. So now you say, yeah, Mr. Orange, technical analysis is BS. So yeah, probably it is. So I'm not even myself 100% convinced about this, but it's a good way actually to visualize, to understand stocks over long term. And hey, and if you look this over the long term, actually this doesn't look so irrelevant, the technical analysis. So guys, where are we? We dropped here today almost 10%. So from all of my stocks, my huge portfolio with so many diversified stocks, CD Projekt Red is actually the worst today. So you have to imagine this. So and today is actually also overall a good day in the market. I was even trading Tesla and made a bit money with Teslas with some scalping. So trades on 5-minute level. So not talking about this here on this channel, of course, about my classical easy scalping trading strategies, but just to tell you guys that of course I'm also investing in other companies. So CD Projekt Red, so yeah, we can see, so we were falling very strongly down, or let's say we dropped strongly back to 107 zlotys. We are now here at some sort of a support, I would say. Are we going to go back over the Fibonacci Rectracement at 130 and going back into the trend line? So if we are stopping here, it's possible. If we are stopping here at 105, 6, 7 zlotys, then it's all possible. But I would even say, even if we would drop now to the 87, 90 zlotys, I wouldn't say the stock is then destroyed forever. So that's my personal opinion. This is for information, education purposes only, and I'm a YouTuber, retail investor myself, guys. You make your own research. You lose all your money. So also to make this clear once and for all, guys. So don't buy any stocks that I'm presenting here on my channel in the video. So don't do it, because probably you will buy stocks at 400 zlotys and then you will sell at 70 zlotys and you lose all your money. So guys, keep this in mind. So let's get back to the video. Oh my god, those disclaimers, always we need them. So but guys, you do the mistake, so therefore I have to make the disclaimers, and then you say thank you for the recommendation. No, this is not a recommendation. We talk about CD Projekt. All right guys, enough talk. So I already hear people getting angry. Okay, very positive rated Cyberpunk. So what happened? So overall, the stock was going up, I think, in anticipation of Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty, in anticipation also on some more news on the Witcher series. Now we're using the Unreal 5 engine, so everyone was kind of happy that this would allow them to create also the games a little bit faster, guys, a little bit faster. So, but we have some news today. So we had a current report from yesterday. So, and yesterday and today the stock was dropping. So hereby they inform us, so CD Projekt informs us that by the end of the first week after the launch, that is up to and including the 3rd of October, gamers have purchased over 3 million copies of Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty expansion across all available hardware platforms. All the same, the management board informs that according to initial data to total value of direct expenses incurred on the production of Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty, they don't tell us really how much money they made now net. Let's say, put it like this, because you can calculate 30, let's say 30 euros, $30, and then 3 million copies, of course. So I don't have my calculation machine with me. So, but calculate this, of course, in your head. Then you have like 30. You have like 90 million, is this correct? So yeah, probably. Mr. Orange, you're investing in stocks and you cannot even calculate. I told you guys, don't buy those stocks I'm talking about in my videos. Amounted approximately to 275 million Polish zloty, so that's not euros. So 1 Polish zloty, I think, is now 22 euro cents is 1 Polish zloty. And the cost of the global marketing campaign, this was pretty expensive. This was 95 million. So this is information. So they're not really saying if they expected more. But hey, look at this. Look at this. 25 million copies sold of Cyberpunk itself. So, and now we sold only 3 million copies of Phantom Liberty. Only 3 million copies of Phantom Liberty, the DLC. So online now 139,000. That's actually a nice number. I like this. Peak today 165,000. So people coming back to play this game, but only 3 million with regard or in relation to 25 million. So I think big investors, institutional investors, that's just what I think, guys. So I think they expected more. And I personally, I expected also more, because 3 million on 25 million is not so much, but because this means a lot of people actually didn't like this game, also means this in the end. So here we have the reviews. Reviews are all over, are very positive, since actually the Phantom Liberty came out very positive, 25,000 reviews. So that's okay. So doesn't mean how much they sold, of course. So also here CD Projekt Investor Day, Phantom Liberty yesterday. So also after this Investor Day, Phantom Liberty the stock of CD Projekt dropped a lot. So this Investor Day is 3 hours. So if you want to have more information, then check out actually the PC Gamer article. I can't read this article to you, of course. You have to click the link yourself. And here they say that the sequel is officially in early development. So, and they also say that they are not so sure about third person or first person perspective. So, but also what they're saying, they're actually not more DLCs for Phantom Liberty coming out. And I think that's a bad decision, guys. That's a bad decision, because just imagine they would bring out another Phantom Liberty, another DLC, and they would sell this DLC then this time, let's say 2 million. So it's still easy money on the basis of the base game. So now they take all of their resources and put them into the new Cyberpunk 2077 game. So here they talk about the new development for the new Cyberpunk game. So and then we know this takes them 7, 8, 9, 10 years maybe until this new Cyberpunk game comes out. So what does this mean for investors? So investors have to wait, let's say, have to wait until 2023, like here, until all over the right side, until a new game comes out. So then we are going like for years. We're accelerating a little bit. We're waiting for a new Witcher game. We go up and then we go down. We go up and we go down. Now the question is, can we ever reach actually to the highs of 450 zlotys? It's very difficult to say. Obviously, it's difficult to say. So, but guys, also little disclaimer, I bought actually some more yesterday, or a day before yesterday and today. So I bought more stocks because I bought into the weakness here. And I thought this is actually a very interesting point for me personally to buy, because I'm averaging down. So I'm round about here with my average. So you know my portfolio. So I average down and I'm a little bit lower now. So I want to be a bit lower as well. And then of course I believe in the Witchers. Yes, I believe in general that the company will continue to exist. Other people say, CD Projekt Red is going to be bought. CD Projekt Red is going to be taken over by Sony. I mean, this is also possible, of course. Everything is possible, but even if Sony would come now and buy them, let's say, then, I mean, they wouldn't buy them for 100 zlotys, then they would maybe even buy them for 200 zlotys, because this is a little bit more the average. But hey, what do I know? I know nothing, guys. So it's always important to say this. So, write in the commentary section, of course, what do you think about this huge drop here that we have seen from 160 zloty to 107 zloty. Do you think it's a good moment to buy some more? Are you invested in this stock? So I'm always very interested actually in your opinion, guys. So no, seriously, I'm interested. It's important. So then, my friends, I want to talk about another stock, another let's say Polish stock, because soon we are going to have a very interesting new game coming out. Not Payday, so still very bad. But the new game is Lords of the Fallen. Lords of the Fallen. Here we go. There. That's the new game. Lords of the Fallen. So Hexworks CI Games. They have followers. They have 77,000 followers. And in 6 days, this new game comes out. So I'm not buying it day one. I really want to see how the reviews are going to be. I really want to see if this game is actually really as good as it looks, because it was Deck 13 that developed the previous title, the previous Lord of the Fallen. And this is a sequel, and this is developed now by Hexworks, so it's a new studio. So I was invested once in CI Games, and I sold around four slotties. So, and now we went even up to almost 7 slotties, and now the stock came back a little bit. So this was a very stupid story. I bought it actually, I think at 150 slotties, and then at 4 slotties, I was experimenting with a stop loss. So never do this actually in a stock like CI game. So it was I got stopped out, and then I thought like, yeah, well, it's okay. It's okay now, so let's get out. So probably it's coming back, and then actually it almost doubled again. So it's a crazy story. So I didn't expect that the anticipation to this new game would be so high. I really didn't expect this, guys. So but now we have to wait. Honestly, we really have to wait how this game performs, and I wouldn't recommend anyone, and I'm not recommending to buy stocks at all. But when you do now your own research and your own considerations, buying it now before this game comes out now, I don't think that's a good idea. So definitely wait how this game will perform, because what can happen? Guys, what happens? This can happen. This can happen. Payday 3 situation can happen. Starbreeze Studio. So let's see. Let's see Starbreeze Studio. So where is it? Starbreeze. Not Starbucks. Starbreeze. Now, here we go. That's Starbreeze. So I have this as well, also invested. But I mean, we have seen what happened. Mostly negative here. Extremely bad launch. I mean, 12,000 people playing it, fine. They even had a peak of 78,000, but this game is already almost dead. And they wanted to monetize this game so much. They want to really squeeze the last drop of lemon juice out of Payday 3. So that's the whole plan. So therefore, I thought like, let's gamble a little bit, buy some Starbreeze stocks here around about one Swedish crown. Hey, but we dropped 50%. So good that my position was very small. Really, that's the most important part. So is it coming? I didn't sell yet. So I think it's possible that Starbreeze actually goes bankrupt. I think there's a not a high probability. I think there is a possibility, because having one game that is so important for you and it performs like this, I don't know what investors are going to think. I mean, I don't even know if the problem with the servers is even resolved. So I'm still invested in it. So I wish they come back. Let's put it like this. I wish they come back, and I wish they are not going bankrupt. So it's very important. So actually, I'm even thinking about buying a little bit more. But I tell you, this is so ultra high risk. So probably I lose my money. Probably I lose my money, and I probably lose your money as well. So don't buy this stock. Please don't buy this stock. So did I say don't buy CD Projekt, don't buy Starbreeze, and don't buy CI Games. So guys, with that, I'm leaving it here. Wish you a wonderful day. So I have to say, the gaming stock market crash is terrible. It hurts. All my favorite stocks are going down. So I hope one day better times are coming. But at the moment, this is very hurtful. But maybe investing must hurt sometimes. So, and I'm happy that my stock market portfolio was performing very well today. And also that's always it's my I say it's the overall performance that counts in the end, so not a sector specific performance. With that, I'm leaving it here. Again, super long video, of course, but hey, if you watch those videos, check out other videos, comment, like, and subscribe. Help me a little bit with the algorithm. I'm not begging here. Actually, I'm just growing this channel in a very slow way, and I want this channel just to grow by itself. So that's the most important part for me. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.